Good morning, YouTube and Facebook. This is Mark with the Three Angels Auto Group and Mark Mega Maestro, which is my YouTube channel. I have not uploaded any current videos on my Mark Mega Maestro YouTube channel because I'm very busy, and I'll just do it all at once so that I have more time to do other things. So the engine is out. This is the engine that came out of the 535i here. And what I've had to do, these engines, the blocks are the same, but there's some different components, like the vacuum pump. I already took it out. The vacuum pump, I thought this would be different, but it's actually the same. But the vacuum pump, I took off the water pump. That's the water pump right there. And I had to change the wiring because the wiring is different. The vacuum pump and the fuel pump, high pressure fuel pump, was different. And this is the vacuum pump. I had to take it out of the other one. So I'm still looking to see if there's anything else that's different. The wiring is different. I have to take that off. And after I put, God, by His grace, after I put the wiring and put the wiring and put the other water pump back from the other one, I'm going to put it on an engine stand. So I'm going to put this one on the engine stand and take this one down so I can work on it better. And this is the massive single turbo. And yeah, so that's basically it. I think this is a actuator for the turbo. So this is what I'm doing this Sunday morning. I usually like to have devotion and then sleep, but I said, you know what, let me go ahead and hurry up and get this thing done, because when it rains it's going to get really messy. So I decided to get that done. I even bought a new cylinder for my cherry picker, because that cylinder right there was leaking oil, and I was like, you know what, it's leaking oil from the very top joint, and I was like, I cannot risk that. I need to get a new one. So I went to Harbor Freight. Guys, if you want to buy tools, Harbor Freight is the best place to buy tools. I would say they probably have 95% of all the tools you need. Some tools I had to get from Walmart. I don't know if the tools that I got from Walmart I could have gotten from Harbor Freight, because they moved the they actually built a Harbor Freight close to my house, maybe about 10 or 15 minutes. So this is the new. This cylinder right here is new. It's actually not that expensive. It's actually it cost me about $43, and I just installed it and took the old one, which is there. That one right there is probably very, very old. It was leaking oil when I was, pumping it. But anyway, so what I have to do now is I have to get this off the engine stand. This engine stand also, I got it from Harbor Freight, and it was actually $43 with the 20% discount that they have, which I thought was awesome. Okay, so I've got this on a engine stand, and I'm going to put the other one on an engine stand. So we will go from there and see how this works. Put it on the engine stand so I can work on it, just make sure everything is good on it, and we can go from there. So yeah, this is it. This is the engine that I took the wiring from. What in the world is this? I know where this goes. Anyway, all the wiring is actually in a box somewhere, because I didn't want to. That wiring, oh Lord, is so important. So yeah, this is the starter. The intake manifold is off. I had to take it off so I could put these together. And that's where the vacuum pump went. I had to take it from the front. There's a plastic seal at the front. There's a whole bunch of wires. This, the starter wire is not on here because I took it off some things. Of course, I have it on the engine stand. Scary stuff. This stand doesn't look like, it can lift it can keep an engine up, but it does. So anyway, God willing, within the next week, this car will be up and running. Hopefully sooner than next week. So pray for me, guys. And remember, if you need someone to give you some advice and counsel on your car, just let me know and I will do it. God bless you, and you have a great Sunday. I'll give you another update once we're ready to put the engine in. Okay? God bless. Bye-bye.